Hey friends, I wanted to get another download for you for January for cursive handwriting practice. I think cursive is beautiful enough to be an art form in itself. So I'm just going to create a really nice quote on some fun paper for a beautiful January print. I thought for January we would use a Martin Luther King Jr. quote, and something I picked up recently is some resume paper. Resume like resume for work. I picked this up from Walmart. It's ivory, so off-white. I got it on clearance, but they pretty much always have it. I don't know why it was on clearance, unless maybe the ivory was going out of stock or something. But any of your office supply stores will have it, Staples, that sort of thing. I like it because it's transparent enough I can put my guide sheet behind it and still, get just enough of a guide on just by laying it on the table. If I wanted more of a guide, I could put the white pad behind it. And also, if you can see, has a nice little texture to it. So it feels a little better than just printer paper, a little bit heavier, but it's not cardstock either. So a nice texture, nice color, just a little upgrade from regular paper. So I'm going to use my Cursive Connection guideline and just sketch out the quote. The quote that I plan on using is, if you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. Can't walk and crawl, but whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. Martin Luther King Jr. So, whoops. I am just gonna do a light sketch. If you can't fly, then run would be a line, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines about. I kind of want to make the moving forward stand out. Let's see what it looks like. So I'm going to start a little bit lower. I want to break this line up, but whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. Yeah, so I want to move, but whatever you do, over so it's centered. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving. And then I kind of just want to add a little bit of flair to forward so it feels like it stands out. I could just make it larger, which could be fun. Not necessarily following the guidelines, or actually maybe just stretching it out would be kind of fun too. Ooh, I kind of like stretching it out. Then it doesn't overrule everything, but it gives it just enough character that forward is the goal, the standalone piece. Okay, and then I want to add credit. I'll add that in, Martin Luther King Jr. So I think I just want to use a black pen. This is pretty small, so something fine tip. I might just use a black, I think black's gonna look good on there. Just a black or even a dark gray. I think I'm just going to try this black jelly roll. It's the classic, the 08, so it's kind of a fine tip, but medium tip. And let's see. The only thing about jelly rolls is I can't usually use them in a standard tripod grip. I sometimes have to write more upright. So let's see how it goes. Okay, I wasn't sure if this paper would erase great, but it actually erased beautifully, and just like that, simple, beautiful piece with a pencil and a jelly roll and a little bit of fun paper, and we've got a really nice piece we can hang up for January. I'll include a download below that you can practice and or print out if you choose to. Thanks for following along, and happy writing!